Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session we have discussed lesson 8, bit A, D, E. In today's session, children, let us discuss the remaining bits of the lesson. So, all of you open your textbooks. Here, dictionary. In dictionary, bit F, use a dictionary to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Now, using a dictionary, you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Here, in each question, 4 words are given. You have to arrange the 4 words according to the alphabetical order. Now, here the words in the first question are minister, majesty, magical, morning. Okay. Now, you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So here, to arrange them in alphabetical order, you have to see the alphabet. Now here, the first alphabet in all the 4 words is M. Next, we'll see the second alphabet in each word. Here, in the first word, the second alphabet is I. In second word, it's A. In third word, it's A, and in fourth word it's O. So now here the second alphabet in word 2 and 3 is A. So now we'll compare these two only. Now see the third alphabet in these 2 words. Here in majesty, the third alphabet is J, whereas in magical the third alphabet is G. So G will come before J. So here the first word is magical and second word is majesty. Okay. Next. Now we'll compare the first word and the last word. Here the third alphabet in the first word is N and in the last word it's R. So N will come before R. So the third word is minister, fourth word is morning. Now let's write the words here, children. First one, magical, second, majesty, third, minister, and fourth word is morning. Come on, write down. Magical, majesty, minister, and the last fourth word is morning. Now next, second question, children. In second question, the words are reward, reply, remind, revise. Here the words are reward, reply, remind, and revise. Now see the starting letter of all the 4 words is R, and even the second letter is also similar, that is E. R-E, 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 and R-E. All the 4 words have the starting letters R and E. Now we'll see the third alphabet in each word. Here the third alphabet is W, P, M, V. So here first we'll get M, then P, V, W. Okay. So here the first word is remind, second word reply, third word is revise, and fourth word is reward. Okay. Now let us write the words, children. Here. Remind, reply, revise, and reward. Okay. Now third question. Here the words are twinkle, two, twisted, twice. Twinkle, two, twisted, twice. Now here the starting two alphabets of the four words is similar, that is TW. Next, if we see the third alphabet here, in the first word, third word and fourth word, TWI are the starting alphabets. Now here, so now we'll see the fourth alphabet. Here the fourth alphabet in first word is N, second one is S, third one is C. Now whereas the second word, its O is there, so O will come after the I. So the last word is 2, TWO2. Now see the words, see the remaining words here. The first three alphabets are similar. Now compare the fourth alphabet. It's N, S, C. So C will come before N and S. So the word twice is the first word. Next, second is twinkle. Then third one is twisted. And at last fourth word is two. Okay, now write the words, children. Twice, next twinkle, twist, twisted, two. Okay, twice, twinkle, twisted, two. Now next, grammar fun. In grammar fun, today we are going to learn the use of is, am, are. The word is, am and are verbs. We use is when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. We use am only with I. We use are when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. Are is also used with you, Y-O-U-U. So here, is, am, are. Is, am and are verbs. We use is and am for the singular form and are for the plural form. So is used when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. Am is used along with I. Next, are. The word are is used when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. Okay, are is also used with Y-O-U-U. Now look at the examples here, children. Sarthak is 2 years old. I am 7 years old. Here Sarthak is a singular form, so is, and am is used along with I. Now if we see the second example, we are brothers, you are cousins. With G, fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Okay. Now here the first blank is the minister dash in his house. The minister dash in his house. So here minister is a singular form. So the word is used here. Okay, write is on the blank. Next, second one, we dash very happy with you, young man, said Akbar. We dash very happy with you, you young man, said Akbar. So here we is a plural form, so the word is are. Write are on the blank. Next, third one, the princess dash very kind. The princess dash very kind. Here princess is a singular form, so the word is used. Write is on the blank. Next, fourth one, An apple dash red in color. An apple dash red in color. An apple means here one apple. So when one apple is there, it's a singular form. So is the correct answer. Next, fifth one. Where dash the rest of the books? Where dash the rest of the books? Here books is a plural form. So the word are is the correct answer. Write R on the blank. Next, sixth one. The baby dash sleeping. The baby dash sleeping. The baby is a singular form. So the answer is is. The baby is sleeping. Now the last seventh one. I dash happy to meet grandpa. I dash happy to meet grandpa. So am is used along with I. So the answer is I am happy to meet grandpa. Okay. Now let's read the fill in the blanks, children. Here first one. The minister is in his house. Second one. We are very happy with you, young man, said Akbar. Third one. The princess is very kind. And fourth one. An apple is red in color. Next. Where are the rest of the books? The baby is sleeping. And the last one is I am happy to meet grandpa. So that is about bit G. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Now next bit H. Take the correct sentences. Put a cross against those that are incorrect. So here the sentences are given. So take the correct sentence and the wrong sentence you cross out. So here the first question is Sanjana and I am going to the Jim Corbett National Park. Sanjana and I am going to the Jim Corbett National Park today. Now whether the sentence is right or wrong, is it a correct sentence? No, it is not the correct sentence. So here Sanjana and I, here two persons are there, it's a plural form. So here am is the wrong word. You have to write are. In place of am, we have to write are. So it is a wrong sentence. Here the correct sentence is Sanjana and I are going to the Jim Corbett National Park today. So put cross mark in the box, children. Next, second question. Jyoti and Arbus are neighbors. Jyoti and Arbus are neighbors. So Jyoti and Arbus, two persons are there. It's a plural form. So are is the correct word. So the sentence is correct. Tick. Put tick mark, children. Next, third one. My parents am going out of town next week. My parents am going out of town next week. So my parents and I are going out of town next week. So am is the wrong word. Right? I are. My parents and I are going out of town next week. So put cross mark in the box, children. Next, fourth one. John is Nikita's cousin. John is Nikita's cousin. So John is a singular form. Is the right word. So the sentence is right. Put tick mark, children. Next, the last fifth one. Mahir and Susan is meeting for the first time. Mahir and Susan is meeting for the first time. Here Mahir and Susan, two persons are there. It's a plural form. So is the wrong word. You have to write are in place of is. Okay. Mahir and Susan are meeting for the first time. So the sentence is wrong. Put cross mark in the box. So that is about today's session. Now with this we have completed all the bits of lesson 8, Birbal and the cooking pot. Now with this we'll close today's session. Coming to today's your homework, learn and write lesson 8, all the bits in your textbook. Okay children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.